This vehicle's story begins in Porsche Yachting Blue Metallic. Deep, commanding, and impossible to ignore. This is Project 69. A GM 6.2-litre V8 delivers raw American muscle under the hood, with a 6-speed automatic transmission for power that's as smooth as it is relentless. With Alcon performance brakes, adaptive E.C.D air suspension, and a dual sports exhaust, every drive is equal parts precision and presence. Inside, craftsmanship takes centre stage. Hand-wrapped tan leather with blue piping, diamond stitch inserts, Brazilian rosewood hydro-dip accents. Project 69's natural sapele wood panelled floors flow through the cabin, meticulously finished, with dark blue caulk that echoes the ocean itself. Equipped for more than the road ahead, worn winch, LED lighting, a 6-point roll cage, every element ready for when adventure calls. This is heritage, power and artistry, built without compromise.